Hey creators! Today, we're putting 5 powerhouse mirrorless cameras head-to-head. Whether you're a seasoned photographer, a hybrid shooter, or just trying to figure out which camera gives you the best bang for your buck, this is the breakdown you've been waiting for. We've got the retro king Fujifilm X-T5, the creator-friendly Panasonic LUMIX S9, the hybrid beast Nikon Z6 III, the pro-level monster Canon EOS R1, and the high-res champ Sony Alpha 7R5. Let's dive in. Let's start with the X-T5. If you're a photo-first kind of shooter who loves vintage design with modern performance, this is your dream camera. A 40-megapixel APS-C sensor delivers razor-sharp images, and Fuji's beloved film simulations? Still unmatched. Video? It'll do 6.2 K30p and 4K 60. But if you're looking for full-blown cinema specs, this might not be the one. However, for still shooters who care about color, detail, and tactile dials, the X-T5 is pure joy. Next up, the Panasonic S9. This is the camera for content creators. It's full frame but fits in your jacket pocket. We're talking 6K video, built-in LUT support, and direct-to-phone sharing via MP4 Lite. No EVF, just a bright flip screen, which is honestly perfect for vloggers. It's social media ready straight out of the box. Oh, and did we mention the color options? This one's all about creative freedom in a tiny, no-fuss package. The Z6 III is Nikon's answer to the hybrid creator. It's not flashy, but man is it reliable. 6K RAW, 4K 120p, ProRes. Yes, please. Add Phase Detect AF with subject tracking and 8-stop IBIS, and you've got a camera that can truly do it all. If you want to shoot fast action, film a wedding, or do both in the same day, the Z6 III has your back. It's the practical choice that doesn't scream, "Look at me," but quietly delivers time and time again. Okay, now we're in flagship territory. The Canon R1 isn't for the casual shooter. It's for pros who chase Olympic-level performance. We're talking 40 frames per second raw bursts, AI-assisted autofocus that's scary accurate, and a 6K raw video workflow. This thing is built like a tank. Integrated grip, weather-sealed, made to survive war zones, stadiums, and safaris. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, it's heavy. But if you're shooting sports, wildlife, or high-speed action, this is the one the pros will trust. And now, the detail king, Sony A7R5. With its massive 61-megapixel sensor and AI-powered autofocus system, this camera sees things you probably missed. It nails eyes, animals, cars, even insects. Add in 8K video, 5-axis IBIS, and a beastly EVF, and it's a technical marvel. Sure, the files are huge, and it'll heat up in long 8K shoots. But if you shoot fashion, landscapes, or product photography, there's not much better. So, which one is for you? X-T5. For purists who love colors, film vibes, and want a modern tool in a vintage shell. S9. For creators, vloggers, and storytellers living on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Z6 III. For hybrid shooters who need flexibility, reliability, and performance. R1. For pros. If your job depends on capturing the moment. A 7RV. For those chasing perfection in every pixel and willing to carry the storage to back it up. Closing thoughts. So, what's your pick? Are you team Fuji and color? Sony and resolution? Nikon and balance? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and smash that bell if this helped you out. Remember, the best camera is the one that helps you tell your story. But picking the right one? That's where the fun begins. See you in the next one.